3. All right, you got. Well, you pulled him under the water at the bottom, and that's what he didn't like. You got water in your eye? Show me. Where? Where's the water? In your mouth? Give me a big old jump, Hannah. All right, go ahead.